Protecting customer data isn't just about what the camera captures, it's also about how that footage is protected every step of the way. That's why we're always working to build smarter safeguards into our security solutions. One of these safeguards is something called SD Card Tamper Protection, available for any camera that supports 24/7 onboard recording. How this works: supported cameras automatically record a clip the moment an SD card is removed from the camera, whether that's due to tampering, theft, or just routine maintenance. That clip is then securely uploaded to the cloud and clearly tagged so that critical information and footage is easy to identify and isn't lost even if that card gets taken. Customers also receive an alert with the linked clip for immediate awareness of what happened and when it happened. It's just one more way that we're designing security with privacy in mind and raising the bar for how customer footage should be protected. Now that is Seer Security. Talk to your Alarm.com service provider today or visit our website to learn more.